Students, now we will discuss about the diagonal of a polygon. We have two definitions that what is diagonal. It is a line segment that join any two vertices of the polygon, but that should not be the side of polygon. It means we have all the four sides. I am taking first the quadrilateral. We have four sides AB, BC, CD and DA. If we are standing on the vertex A, see what is in the next definition. The diagonal is a line segment joining of two non-adjacent vertices. See, if we are standing on A, if we go from this side, B comes first, and if we go from this side, D comes first. It means adjacent vertices of A are B and D. If we talk about the adjacent vertices of B, if we go from this side, you get C. If you go from this side, you get A. So adjacent vertices of B are A and C. Same, adjacent vertices of C are B and D. And adjacent vertices of D are C and A. So what is a diagonal? Diagonal is a line segment that join any two non-adjacent vertices. It means when we are standing on A, B and D are adjacent. So non-adjacent vertex is a C. So if we join A to C, that is called the diagonal. Now come to B. If we are standing on B, then from this to this, these are called the adjacent vertices. It means this is called non-adjacent. It means B to D is a diagonal. Now if we are standing on C, B and D are the adjacent vertices and A is non-adjacent. So we have already joined C to A. So if we are standing on D, B is the non-adjacent vertex. So D to B is a diagonal. So we will not repeat it. It's already joined. So how many diagonal does a quadrilateral have? Two diagonals. Now students, if we go with this same, if we are looking here, all six segments are there, but we are obtaining from any two vertices, but A, B, B, C, C, D and D A are the sides. Only AC and BD are the line segments. Those are not the sides. It means AC and BD are the diagonals of a quadrilateral. Now come to the pentagon. Pentagon, we have five sides. AB, BC, CD and DA. So in the same way, just stand on the first vertex A. If you go from this and this side, these are called the adjacent vertices. It means these two are the non-adjacent. You join it. It means AC and AD. AC and AD are the diagonals from A. Now come to B. This side and this side. It means A and C are the adjacent. So non-adjacent E and D. Join B to D, B to E. So BD and BE. Now come to C. B and D are the adjacent. It means non-adjacent are these. C to A already joined. So we will not repeat it. AC and CA is the same thing. So C to E. Now come to D. These two are the adjacent. Non-adjacent are B and A. So already D to B and D to A are joined. Now come to E. E. Adjacent vertices A and D. Non are B and C. E to B joined already. E to C already joined. So how many diagonals does a pentagon have? 5 diagonals. Now come to the triangle. We have three sides AB, BC and CA. Now if we are standing on A, adjacent vertices from this side B and from this side C. So it means we are not having any non-adjacent vertex of A. Now if we are standing on B, from this side A adjacent and from this side C is adjacent to B. So it means we are not having any non-adjacent vertex of B, and same with the C. So we are not having any non-adjacent vertex of any one of these vertex. So it means triangle have zero diagonal. Now we come to hexagon. We are standing first on A. See, adjacent vertices of A, from this side B, from this side F. So non-adjacent vertices, these three. So we join this to this to this, and this to this. So name it AC, AD and AE. These are the line segments, so put this sign. Now come to the vertex B. B, adjacent vertices are from this C and from this A. So C and A, the adjacent vertices of B. So non-adjacent are D, E and F. Join B to D, B to E, B to F, and name it, write it. B, D, B, D, B, E and B, F. Now come to C. Adjacent vertices B and D. So known are E, F and A. So join C to E. Write it. C to E. Join C to F. And C to A already joined, means AC. So don't repeat. AC and CA is the same thing. So now come to D. Adjacent vertices C and D. So it means non-adjacent F, A and B. Join D to F, DF. D to A already joined, D to B already joined. Now come to E. Adjacent vertices D and F. So all three are non-adjacent, and observe already joined. EA already joined, EB already joined, EC already joined. Come to F. And if we see C with F, this is the side. It cannot be the diagonal. Now come to F. Adjacent vertices A and E. So non-adjacent are these. FD joined already, FC already joined, FB already joined. So we have all these diagonals. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many diagonal does a hexagon have? 9. So we get the diagonal of different polygons. In the same way you can find the diagonals of octagon, septagon, like this. Students, now we have to do question 3 of exercise 5.8, where we have to draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon, and we have to join any 3 of its vertices, and we have to observe which type of the triangle we are getting. So first we will make the rough sketch of a regular hexagon. So just suppose I am taking this 3 centimeter. It's a rough sketch, students, and we are taking here 3 centimeter. And if we are taking this, it's a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means all sides are equal and all angles are equal. So we are observing, we are drawing the regular, so consider all the sides are equal. So mention them by the same sign. So this is showing that all sides are equal and all angles are equal. It means all these angles are equal. So now we have to take any 3 of its vertices. So if we are taking this and this vertex, so we have 6 vertices. If we are taking any 3 vertices, so first we are taking here A, B and C. We are joining them. A to B already joined, B to C already joined, and A to C if we are joining, then we have to tell which type of the triangle we are getting as See, observe this triangle. If we are shading them and we are observing which type of the triangle is this. This is a isosceles triangle because we are 100% sure these two sides are equal, because this is given that we are making a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. So it means these two sides are equal. So which type of the triangle is this? Isosceles triangle. Students, in paper you will not get this type of paper, so you will get a very simple paper, that a lining paper. So I am telling you how to make on that also, because we have to make a very rough sketch, so we will go with that also. Now we are using this notebook. It's very clear, you have to make the rough sketch, so no need to take tension that it all the sides will be equal or not. We will try to make it. This is 3 and here also we will take 3. Take the center point. See, 1 2 3 4 5, near about here you can take, and same this side you can take and join it. We are taking this vertex 3 centimeter, join this. So we are having all sides equal, mention them by, it's compulsory to mention because all sides are equal, so compulsory. So now you join 3 vertices. So we are joining again them, these 3. So what the triangle, this one is isosceles triangle. Now question 4, that we have to make a rough sketch of a regular octagon. Students, we will take here 3 centimeter. It's a rough sketch only. You can take 4 centimeter also. Just take here also 3 centimeter. Here also take 3 centimeter. And here also you take 3 centimeter. Join this to this. This to this, this to this, and this to this. Name it. You just highlight this also. Now name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now we have to join any 4 vertices to get a rectangle. We can join these. To get a rectangle. So see, this is a rectangle. So it means HCDG is a rectangle. You can highlight also. Now we will make one time more, but not on this notebook. We are taking the another one. Students, as this is a regular, so it is compulsory to mention these that all sides are equal. See, 3 centimeter, rough idea, just here also take 3 centimeter, just down to it. Here also take 3 centimeter. Here also take 3, as much gap, same this side. Now join this to this. It's a rough sketch, so name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You can join like these 4 vertices. Also you can join these. Any way you can take. Now we are joining these. We are joining these 4 vertices to get a rectangle. Observe. These 2 sides are equal. These 2 sides are equal. and each angle is of 90. So mention this sign because all sides are equal. So it is compulsory to mention